Hello everyone and welcome back to Destin Learning. In this session we're diving deeper into Python's most versatile data structure with advanced list operations. Lists are more than just a way to store data. They're a toolbox packed with powerful methods and techniques that allow you to sort, filter, slice, and even combine data with ease. Whether you're working on complex algorithms or managing large data sets, mastering these advanced operations will elevate your Python programming skills. Get ready to unlock the full potential of Python lists as we explore advanced concepts and tips that will make your coding more efficient and elegant. Let's go ahead and get started. Python lists are versatile and support advanced operations like slicing, comprehensions, copying, filtering, and mapping. Mastering these can lead to cleaner, more efficient, and Pythonic code, especially for large data sets or complex algorithms. In this guide, we delve into advanced list operations in Python. We'll cover detailed explanations and examples, including list comprehensions, sorting, reversing, and using map, filter, and reduce functions. Practical applications and best practices are also discussed. Python slicing allows you to extract subsets of a list. Adding a step value enables advanced slicing. List comprehensions offer a concise method to create lists, incorporating conditions or transformations. Nested list comprehensions are useful for handling multidimensional data and simplifying complex operations, especially in data analysis and machine learning. The zip function is used to combine elements from multiple lists into pairs or tuples. It's useful for parallel iteration and returns an iterator. You can sort lists based on custom criteria by using the key parameter in the sort method or the sorted function. The filter function is used to filter a list based on a condition, returning a new list with elements that meet the specified condition. The map function is used to apply a function to each element in a list, resulting in a new list with modified elements. Copying lists in Python can cause unexpected issues if not done correctly. Python offers shallow copying, which creates a new object but does not make copies of nested objects, and deep copying, which is recursive, copies all the nested objects. Using generators can help optimize memory usage when processing large lists. They allow for efficient processing and reduced memory consumption. Generators provide lazy evaluation, enhancing performance and handling large data sets seamlessly. The any function returns true if any element in a list is true, while all the function returns true if all elements are true. Here's a list of some example advanced built-in methods that include extend, which extends the list by appending an element from another list. Count, which counts the number of occurrences of X in the list. Index, which returns the index of the first occurrence of. Reverse, which reverses the elements in the list in place. Which removes all the elements from the list and returns an iterable of index value pairs. Advanced list operations in Python allow for efficient data manipulation. Techniques include slicing, comprehensions, and a higher order function like filter and zip. Understanding shallow versus deep copies and using built-in methods can optimize your code. Mastering Python techniques helps you write more efficient and scalable programs. By combining these operations with Python features, you can handle various real-world use cases, including data analysis and algorithm implementation. In summary, advanced list operations in Python enable efficient data manipulation. Techniques include slicing, comprehensions, and higher-order functions like filter and zip. Understanding shallow versus deep copies and using built-in methods enhance code quality. Mastering these techniques leads to more Pythonic and scalable programs. Well, that concludes our session on advanced list operations in Python. Today we explored powerful techniques like slicing, sorting, filtering, and combining lists, giving you the tools to work with data more effectively and efficiently. Mastering these advanced operations will help you write cleaner, more optimized Python code for any project. Well, thank you for joining us at Destin Learning. If you enjoyed this video, please click the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Well, that's all for now. I'll see you in another video soon. Bye-bye.